Hello student, today I am going to teach you painting lesson number 1, history and appreciation of art from 3000 BC to 600 AD. We learn what is a painting, the three famous paintings, Dancing Girl, Ramapura Wolf and Black Princess. Today we are going to see the history of painting. Let's start. Indus Valley Civilization. From Indus Valley Civilization 2500 BC to 1750 BC to Mauryan Dynasty 3rd century BC. We see a gradual development in art and craft. Artists of the Harappan period were extremely skilled. Mauryan period marked a new beginning in Indian history. Highly polished quality of the sculpted pillar from the Ashokan period and treasure of Indian art. Along with this technically improved style, there was also the tradition of popular folk art, which continue in the form of cute mother goddess figure. After the Mauryan period, when the Sanghas came to power, they continue with the artistic activity, and we got the great stupa and sculpture of Sanchi in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The Kushan, who had come from outside India, helped in the progress. During this period, we see the development of the sculpted portraitures for the first time. Gupta period is regarded as the golden period in Indian art history. See here Gupta sculptures. Some of the most important art centers during this period were Mathura, Sarnath, Ujjain, Achitatra and others. Gupta sculpture shows the perfect balance and blending of the style, the skill, the mystery and the imaginations. The religious sculptures show a divine quality, the slight tilt of the lip, the full roundedness of the figure, accurate carving and simplicity become the stylistic stamp of the Guptas. Along with the religious, secular sculptures were also produced in a large extent. Famous painting of Ajanta were done during this period. See here picture Ajanta cave painting. Ajanta cave painting beside painting and sculptures. The new development in art was the cave and temples. Artistic structures. Some of the important sites in this respect are the Udaygiri cave in Madhya Pradesh and the Nachna and Bhumara, where temple architecture started. In Anus Sills, it can be said that Gupta's period is a classical period of the Indian history. Today we have learned about the from Indus Valley civilizations, Gupta sculptures, Ajanta cave painting. Student, three things we learn in this lesson, and we already learned about the Dancing Girl, Ramapura Wolf and Black Princess. So this all about the painting and artistic activity which done Indian history and appreciation of art from 3000 BC to 600 AD.